Have you noticed just how expensive things are getting these days? Gasoline prices are off the charts, groceries are becoming more and more expensive to buy each day, and it's simply becoming much harder to feed our families. But there is some relief. There's actually some places that are giving away free food and free items, but you have to know where to go searching for this. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you some examples of me getting actual free things from places such as Costco, such as Wegmans, and such as Target. And I'm going to show you the one app that I use on a regular basis that's helping me do this. Now, here's the thing. I like to get free stuff, but I like to get high quality stuff for free. I don't like to share with people how to get low quality or cheap things. Now, you're actually going to see how I've been able to get Tide detergent, how I've been able to get Snuggles fabric softener for free, how I've been able to get egg white quiches for free, and just recently I got Bounty paper towels for free, and it's by simply using this one app. Now, before I get into the video, I'm gonna ask you for one quick favor. Please go ahead, hit that like button so more people can get this video and more people can benefit from getting this free stuff. Oh, and one more thing. In addition to getting these items for free, this app is going to pay you a bounty to actually go into the store and to take these free items. So you're not just going to get free things, you're also going to be making money with this app. The one app I'm referring to is called Field Agent. Now, this is an app I've been using for a little over a year, and this app has a feature called Buy and Try. This is where you will get reimbursed for trying out a brand new product and giving your opinion of that item. Take, for example, this recent Buy and Try that the Field Agent app alerted me to. It was at my local Costco, and all I had to do was walk into the store and buy a 12-pack of Bounty paper towels, and this cost me just a little over $19, yet the Field Agent app reimbursed me $26 for this. Now already I'm up a little under $7, and that didn't even include my Bounty pay just yet. Now, this was a two-part buy and try gig on the Field Agent app, so I actually made out really well because I ended up getting two bounties. The first one was $6 for simply going into the store, buying the item, and taking a picture of that item on the shelf. And then a few days later, after I tried out the product, I was given an additional $4 for my opinion of the item. So I made out with a $10 bounty, plus I got the product for free, but I actually made a lot more money because they reimbursed me more than I actually paid for that item. And get this, that same night, I was alerted to another buy and try at my local Wegmans, and this time it was for an alcoholic drink. They gave me a 12-pack of Bud Light, and they gave me a $5 bounty just for taking it out of the store and once again giving my opinion. Now, as you can see, these are all things that I've already been paid out on. This is a legit app, and if you want to take advantage of this, there is a special link underneath this video. Click on that link and sign up for the Field Agent app. It's an easy way to get free stuff and make money in the process. Now, if you're like me and you're also an Ibotta app user, then you know you can snap your receipt on Ibotta and make additional money on that app. And if you're a Fetch Rewards app user, just like I am, then you know you can also snap your receipt on that app and get rewarded with additional free gift cards. Even as I look through the Ibotta app right now, as I'm recording this video, you can see that there are tons of free food items at various stores, including this one Costco item, which is a near $10 item. You can get a 2-pound box of Simulate chicken nuggets absolutely free at Costco right now with the Ibotta app. It's just another free app to get free food at Costco. But let's go back to the Field Agent app because I really want to show you what you can get for free and how much you can get paid for giving your opinion of that item. So back in middle of March, I went to Costco and once again, I was given a buy and try for a veggie spinach egg quiche, and that was something where they gave me a packet of 12. They reimbursed me $8.99 for it, and I got paid $5.70 for giving my opinion of that item. Now, as I'm scrolling through the app, you can see I also got this Starbucks mocha flavored ground 7-ounce bag of coffee. Now, if you're a coffee lover, this would be something that you might be interested in, and I I was given this at Walmart. Now I got reimbursed $4.98 for that item, and they gave me a bounty of $3. Now, a few other things they gave me here. Now, I don't want to excite you too much, but you do get stuff from Little Caesars, at least in my area, quite a bit. So I have gotten large pepperoni pizzas for free over there, as well as a bounty for giving my opinion of that pepperoni pizza. I mean, it's pretty darn neat. I've also gotten hummus, and I have gotten the Snuggles fabric softener. That was a really good one, and that was at Target. But I've also gotten other things such as Tide detergent and so many other things. I've taken beer so many times because I do love beer. Now, guys, again, if you want to try this out for yourself, there will be a special link under this video. Click on that link. That will take you to the Field Agent app where you can sign up to start getting these gigs so that you can do these buy and tries, get yourself some free food, make some money, and at least try to beat some of this crazy inflation we have going on. Guys, do me a quick favor. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, go subscribe to my channel if you want more information like this, and I will see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.